So for Roger Clemens, going for 20 at 41. If he wins this game, it will be his 20th win of the season. Not since Koufax. Now another one up and in to Cabrera. Cabrera giving him a stare. Roger Clemens, 21 years older than the right-hander.
1 on, 2 out. 1 ball, no strikes. The 20-year-old waits. 1 ball, 1 strike. And a late swing, strike 2. Now he sits and watches as Clemens misses with ball 2. And a 2-2 to Cabrera. That is foul. Into right field. Back is Garcia at the wall. Home run, Cabrera. 2-0 Florida. Remember that first pitch up and in?